This is a woman who refuses to wallow. She says that silly sneeze could have killed her, but she's determined to get her life back. Hers is a story of gratitude and fortitude, just in time for Thanksgiving.
I was told it flew through the air and hit the tree. I remembered feeling like I hit something really hard, and the last thing I thought of was my son.
October 22nd, 2009. Kimberly kissed her husband and her son goodbye and headed to her job as a nurse.
I was sneezing, and when I sneeze really, really hard.
And sneezing, she lost control of her car. Witnesses told Kimberly the car flipped and rolled down an embankment. But all Kimberly remembers is being pinned in the car, and most chilling, not being able to feel her legs at all.
One of the most horrifying feelings, to wake up and know you can't feel your legs.
Her spine was bruised. Her life has been confined to a wheelchair since. The stress of the accident took a toll on her marriage. She moved out with her son Owen, determined to go forward.
It's harder than usual, but it's over, and just gotta keep going.
You have to, and I do believe I'm lucky.
Kimberly had surgery last week on her foot and soon hopes to be able to put weight on both feet. She dreams of being able to drive again for groceries or football practice for her son. Owen is confident his super mom will make it happen.
I have no doubt.
As you can tell, Kimberly can't get back to work just yet, but she is trying to raise money to purchase an adaptive car. If you're interested in helping out, head on over to WMUR.com. There you'll find a link to her GoFundMe page. In the newsroom, Amy Cavino, WMUR News 9.